Have you seen that girls say that they want a guy who is nice, caring, and emotionally available for her? No? Say this.
Respect women and others, that comes the first for me. What I like is just that, it's about being caring enough and responsible. Yes, that's what matters.
What about you?
I think men should be respectable to women,
Okay.
and the second thing is they should be, and I guess that's it.
But the fact is that they only tell that they want a guy who is emotionally available for her, but ends up cheating with him with a bad boy who is non-emotional. Weird, right? This is the strange behavior of the girls. But don't get angry, bro. I also used to think the same way. But when I find out the psychological behavior of the girl, that why she do so I'm not only getting the girls, but getting the girl obsessed with me. And in this video, we will figure it out about this weird behavior of the girls, about non-emotional, why emotional available for hers backfire for you, and what bad boy used to become emotional available so that girls are getting obsessed with you. If you want to improve your dating life and in self-improvement, I recommend you to subscribe this channel, guys. And if you are here still now, click like on this video. Let's start the video, bro. When a girl is telling you about her problem and you are listening to her each and every single word she says to you, even she is not your girlfriend, bro. So in her mind, girls think that she is only special girl in his life because you are even wasting your own time by listening her shit talks. That's the mentality of the girl she thinks when you listen all her problems. And why you are listening? Because you think she is telling you about her personal life and you are the special, bro. That's not the case, bro. You think she's the special. And I always says to the guys, she's not special, bro. You haven't dated enough girls. And the moment you says to her that I am too busy and cut the call, and after 5 to 10 minutes you call back her again, you know what you find out? You find out that her phone is busy with somebody else and she's talking to some other guys. She's telling her problem to another guy. That's happened, bro. That's the harsh reality. If not you, then somebody else. So remember that. And you only listen because you think that she is the only girl in your life. So you have to listen. But in case of girls, she has many options, bro. You have only she, but she has many. And if you think you can impress her by listening all her problem about her all the day, then you lose your value, bro. Because you think you are wasting your time and even you are getting into the friend zone. You are in the category of a nice guy because you are too emotionally available for her. Always pick up the phone whenever she says. Text all day randomly at any point of the day. And that's make you a weak man. Because she is getting the attention from you. But you are not getting what you want from her. I know what you want, bro. So stop it from here. Trying to fix her problem. One thing nice guy do, even I do in my past, that whenever a girl tells me some problem, I try to give her a suggestion, trying to fix her problem and become too emotionally available for her because I react emotionally for her. And that's the rare shit a man can do to impress any girl. You are breaking the law of polarity, bro. Polarity means when a man is masculine, a girl is feminine. And when a girl is feminine, man is masculine. And if you haven't watched my YouTube video on masculinity, then check the link in the description. Suppose a girl is telling you about her problem that a guy is messaging her randomly day after day on Instagram, on Snapchat, on WhatsApp. Suppose a girl is telling her problem about that a guy is in her office, has randomly sending her friend request on Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp messages and texting her. And instead of non-reactive, what you say? You get offended at getting angry on that guy. You give her a suggestion. You become so angry that you give her suggestion that you have to block him and all those things. And you have to stay away from him. So she thinks that she can never tell your problem because you are too emotionally and break the law of polarity. You don't want your suggestion, bro. If she is emotional, you have to stay calm, centered, non-reactive. That's why she can't trust on you because you also behave like her emotionally. And she don't want a boy, she want a man who listens her, not giving her the fake suggestions. Tell me in the comment, what will you do if a girl mention another boy name in front of you? And now the solution. Why she's getting obsessed with non-emotional bad boy. You know why she's getting obsessed with non-emotional bad boy? Because when she calls him telling him about her problem all the day, and here bad boy do two things which spikes her emotion. Number one, when he finds out that she is using him by cheating, talks all about her day and telling her problem, and cut the call by saying that I'm too busy. If she tells him the genuine problem, he just not only listening the problem, he tried to flirt. The girl also get very curious and smile on him, and she also trying to flirt with him, bro. He teases her, he flirt her back, and that's make a good chemistry between both of them. And that's why their talks is not going into the boring conversation just like you do, bro. they are getting a good chemistry talks, and that's why they end the call in a high conversation, at the peak moment. They will never get into the friend zone ever. Second, he will not give her solutions and suggestion to all her problem, because he knows that this is the problem for her this day, and tomorrow is her next problem, because she is made of problem and he cannot able to solve any of the problem. It's in her mind, because she says that she want a nice guy but getting bored with him and end in a relationship with a bad boy who is not giving shit at all. And if you want a video on how to get out of the friend zone, then comment friend zone under this video. Love this content, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Love you all. See you. Bye.